Hello everyone, I have a very quick moulds and shapes unboxing video for you today. It's something for you to watch whilst I share some really exciting news. As many of you know, I've been a long-term fan of moulds and shapes, so I'm absolutely delighted to see them making their return. After everything that's happened over the past few months, they're finally reopening the doors on Saturday the 1st of August, and I know that's something many of us in the crafting community have been looking forward to. What makes me especially happy is they're keeping the things that made so many of us love them in the first place: beautiful quality moulds, great craftsmanship, and that friendly personal service they've always been known for. And now it's even better because they have a bigger team and a bigger workshop. To celebrate the reopening, they've also been busy creating around 20 brand new exclusive mould designs, from home decor and keepsakes to seasonal designs, and plenty of fresh inspiration. There's going to be a lot for us to discover. And here's a lovely little bonus: if you place an order during the reopening weekend, you'll receive a free exclusive mini gift mould with your order while stocks last. I'm genuinely looking forward to browsing the new collection myself, and I can't wait to see what everyone creates with these new designs. So if you've missed moulds and shapes as much as I have, don't forget to pop over and have a look when they reopen tomorrow. I'd just like to wish everyone at Moulds and Shapes every success for this exciting new chapter. It's wonderful to see you back, and I'm sure the creative community will be giving you a very warm welcome too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is on Sunday. Bye for now.